Hello there again. In this video, we'll explain what the DASH diet is and the benefits of the DASH diet. The everyday guide to losing weight and getting healthy. First of all, we'll see what the DASH diet is and how it works. The DASH diet is a diet plan that is designed to help you lose weight. In this diet, you have to follow a low-fat and low-sugar diet 3 days a week. In the other 4 days, you can choose from a list of healthy foods from both fat and sugar categories. The DASH diet also has some recipes for people who want to make healthy food at home. The DASH diet is one of the most popular weight loss plans in recent years, with an average success rate of 70% to 80%. How to start and stick with the DASH diet. The DASH diet is a diet that is based on its acronym, DASH. The diet was developed by the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute to combat high blood pressure. This diet has 4 main guidelines: eating fruits and vegetables, eating whole grains, eating low-fat dairy products, and limiting salt intake. This diet is not just about what you can't eat but what you need to eat to maintain a healthy lifestyle. The DASH diet book provides information about how to start this fast-acting way of life by being mindful of what you are eating in addition to how it affects your heart. The benefits of the DASH diet. The DASH diet is a healthy eating plan that can be adapted to any lifestyle. It consists of 4 different phases, which are the DASH phase where people eat high-fiber whole grains, vegetables, fruit, and legumes, the lean phase where they should focus on lean meats and low-fat dairy, the healthy phase where they should eat foods with low sodium, fats, and sugars, and the custom phase that allows them to add in their favorite foods. The DASH diet provides many benefits. It is inexpensive because it relies on foods that are widely available in most grocery stores. It is easy to follow because it has specific guidelines for each day consisting of 3 meals plus snacks every day. It also promotes weight loss through gradual change without depriving. The DASH diet is a 12-week weight loss plan that is designed to help people lose weight quickly. The diet was originally created to help lower blood pressure, but it has evolved into a plan that helps reduce the risk of heart disease, strokes, high cholesterol, and other chronic health conditions. The food you eat on this diet should be low in salt and cholesterol. Healthy fats are important too. But if you want to indulge in something salty, you should save it for once per week only. And when you do have something salty or fatty, have it with vegetables or fruit so your body doesn't think it's being punished. Thank you for watching. We will go deep into DASH diet in our next video.